Hello and welcome back to Minecraft Ask Gaeilge. Uh, I'm at the original spawn here, and we're going to do something very special. We are going to celebrate Independence Day. That's right, it is July 4th here in America, and we're just going to do something a little special. This is not going to be a full episode, just um, a little special here. I'm at original spawn, and we are going to quickly, before the sun sets, I'm going to teach you the colors today. So this is Derg, obviously red. Bon, notice the little accent thing over the A. That's called a fada. So that's Bon. And Gorm is blue. So Derg, Bon, and Gorm. Now the sun is setting, which is great. I actually kind of timed that pretty well. I was just standing here waiting for sunset, doing a couple tests before, you know, before the sunset. Yeah, so this is original spawn. Not much, ignore that. That's going to go away. I think next year I'll probably be more prepared for this. For a special. I fear people probably won't be watching this one. If you guys go back and actually watch this special, that'd be fantastic, but I doubt anyone's going to. Alright, so I cobbled together a thing of fireworks. I have no idea if they're going to look any good, but we'll just do it. I may even set up a real fireworks display. That'd be cool. I don't know if I can go out onto the boat and set these out over the water. That'd be really cool. So we're going to wait. We're going to wait for it to be a little darker, and hopefully I won't be ambushed by any creepers or bad guys here. Waiting. Little darker, little darker. A little darker. Come on. So I just want to, again, wish everybody a happy Independence Day. Not just to Americans, but all the free people of the world. And, well, you know, especially those in Ireland. You guys understand better than most. And, you know, a quick shout out to my cousin who got deployed just over a week ago. He's in the Navy. And, yeah, I have many friends and family who have served. And, you know, thank you guys for your service, and to all the current and past service members out there, thank you. We don't have freedom without you. Alright, let's get what will probably a terrible show on the road here. Ah, that was kind of cool. Kind of didn't really. Oops. Like it. They're a little too high, but oh, cool. Those are kind of cool. I'm gonna have to remember that recipe. I probably shouldn't use all of them. All right, that was it. Thank you, and again, happy 4th of July.